Man is going to start a few steps behind his partner. It will obviously depend on the size of your dance floor. I'm leaving myself 2 steps to approach the lady. Start with the left, right, get behind your partner. On 3, embrace your partner with a big gesture. On 4, you're going to move your body weight on the left leg, go back on the right leg, one more time on the left leg, meanwhile grabbing the lady's hand, then while going on the right leg, letting the lady unwrap to the right and getting back on the left leg at the end. Now the ladies part, as you can see, ladies waiting for the partner at the beginning. We want the focus of everybody to be on the fact that the man is embracing the lady, so you can keep the hands along your body loosely and wait for the man. Once you start swaying from left to right, you will then reach with your left hand to place it in your partner's hand, like this. Then ladies going to unwrap, rotating clockwise, starting with the right leg, 1 step, 2nd step, and to the side on the right leg. We're ending up in the opened position, and the very important part to remember when we're getting into the opened position is that a man has to wait for the lady standing on the right leg, then the lady is on the left leg, and then together at the exact same time we can go away from each other. That's very important. One more thing to remember is that you have to bend your knee before getting away from each other. You need your knee to be slightly bent, relaxed, so it can work naturally. The opposite leg is also relaxed.